Shaky Vision. Good. Newest addition to the shop. A Wave Plus. Featuring, of course, where is it? Here it is. A Bitholder. Nice, right? This bit is held in place by this little spring here, which goes into this little notch here on the side, you see. And it looks like a pretty normal bit, but if you rotate it sideways, you see it's really flat, yeah, in order to fit in here and not make everything bulky. So you can buy for an arm and a leg a bit set from Leatherman, but that's not including everything, and so on and so forth. So easiest things, I thought I just buy a good bit set. I love those bit sets, by the way, with the release here. It's really, I love it. It's so easy and handy, and this is also quite good form factor. And I have all the bits I need, like all the cross things, all the flat things, something to the hex stuff, to do IKEA stuff, Torx and security Torx, and also an adapter for the, I think it's 1/4 inch ratchets, nuts, and 4 ratchets. Anyway, the issue is that this is not this, right? And that's what we are going to change now. This is like 8 millimeters, and this is also 8 millimeters, so that's good. That seems to fit. Yes, it fits perfectly. Lengthwise we will see, but the width is, I would say it's like 3.4 millimeters. So we need the edges here. So actually, if we look above, this is like an edge here and it's not flat. So we will need the edge of this thing. And we can measure from the flat part. So 3.2 is the goal. And we are at 6.2 or something like that. Okay. So I will just remove it and see if it fits. Still fits. And I will do this like this. Just like the whole time, or maybe I take the sander. The problem is if I grab it here, it still rotates and I have to grab it on this side. I think we're almost there. And it's almost plain again. I have to take a little bit up on the top. So theoretically it fits. But actually it doesn't. Let's bring it down. Okay, two things. I want this to be a bit sitting a bit deeper. This is too much for me. And also I want this thing, the latch, to engage again. And we see I am over the notch here. So all I have to do is to take the saw and do like a little dip here. Right below this, or maybe. Oh yeah, great. So it actually works kind of. But as you see, or you may not see if you focus, you friendly person, I've just messed it up on the side, so it's better than nothing, but almost everything would be better. Okay, do this for the other side as well. What the? This isn't a USB drive, is it? Nice. Hear that? No play. Perfect. Here also no play. It's sitting in there. That is as much as I want from it. Put it in there. €6 or €8 spent. I don't know how much this was, €40, €50. But now I have a complete bit set, which is bigger than the tool itself. Thanks a lot for watching, and just in 15 minutes of work. Nice, couldn't be happier. Thanks a lot for watching and have a nice day. Bye.